Hello friends, we are about to complete our chapter. We are only left with the 4 sums of section F. So let us do, and the homeworks which we were given, I hope that everyone will do and send it fast. So today we are completing this chapter. So friends, on page number 114, from 8, 9, 10, 11, 4 sums are left for section F. Which sums to be ignored, which sums are done for the homework, I have said in detail yesterday. Okay, now 8 sums. 6 dancers A, B, C, D, E, F in a dance competition were judged by 2 dance gurus. The ranks assigned to the dancers are as follows. Find rank correlation coefficient. Now in normal sum, ranks are directly given. Here also ranks are given, but here see, ranks are given in different way. Ranks are written in a line, but ABCD is written in random order. So what we have to do, ABCD is to be written in correct order, alphabetical order, and ranks are to be written randomly. First we need to rearrange the data and then we will find the answer, nothing else. So this is section F, and in that sum number 8, and we are writing rearranging the data for calculation. Now friends, in normal sums, ABCD is given only in extra column and the ranks are rearranged. So here also we will do in such a way. We will write ABCD and then we will differentiate ranks. Okay. First column is extra, that is dancers. Second column is ranked by first guru, that is RX. Second, ranked by second guru, RY. We need D is equals to RX minus RY, and then B. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes, 6 dancers. Now ABCD is required only once, and we have to rearrange the ranks only. How we will do it is very easy. If you are looking one time, then also you will understand. Now see friends, how to do. Whenever we are looking by guru 1, B has first rank. How? The B is written and number 1 is written. So in first guru, B has number 1. Now F has number 2. In first guru only I am telling. F has 2, A 3. I hope all are understanding. C 4. D5, E6. What I have done, just I have seen the ranks. For first group, B is 1, so B1. F2, so F2. A3, A3. C4, C4. D5, D5. And E6, so E6. Now for second group, F is 1. So F is 1. A is 2. A is 2. C is 3, C is 3, B is 4, B is 4, E is 5, E is 5, sorry, E is 5, and D is 6. So very easy. Just what the ranks are written, we have to write only that thing, nothing else. So ABCD is in alphabetical order, now the ranks are random. So 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 4, minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 6, minus 1. 6 minus 5, plus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 1, 9. 1, 1, 1, 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. R is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n in bracket n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 14 divided by n is 6 dancers in bracket 6 square minus 1. 1 minus 14 6 ja 84 divided by 6 in bracket 6 square 36 minus 1. 1 minus 84 divided by 6 into 36 minus 1 35. 1 minus 84 divided by 35 6 are 10. 1 minus 84 divided by 10 0.4, answer is 0.6. So what was the thing? ABCD was in random order and the ranks were okay, but here we have to do ABCD in alphabetical order and ranks accordingly. That yes, the sum is over. Now going for the ninth sum. Okay, now going for ninth sum. The following data is obtained for two variables: inflation x, interest rate y. N is equals to 50, sigma x 500, sigma y 300, sigma x square 5450, sigma y square 2000, sigma xy 3090. Now if you are reading sum till here, then you will think that keep the formula of R, find the answer. Later on it was known that one pair, see, one pair means n is equals to 1 only, not 2. Observations will be 2, one will be for x, one will be for y, but n is equals to 1 only. 10 6 was included additionally by mistake. Find the correlation coefficient by excluding the pair. See, in normal sums what is there? One will be wrong observation, one will be correct. So n will not change because one is wrong and one is correct. Here n will change, one pair is there, we will exclude that. So as we are doing in all the sums, we are excluding and including. Excluding means minus and including means plus, but here we need to only exclude. So first we will calculate the revised values and then we will find the R. Okay. So first we will write the data. N is equals to 50, sigma x 500, sigma y 300, sigma x square 5450, sigma y square 2000 and sigma xy 3090. After that we will write extra pair to be excluded 10 6. Now this will be for x, this will be for y. Okay, yes. Now first we will find the revised values excluding the pair. Okay. N is equals to total there are 50 pairs minus 1 pair is equals to 49. Don't do minus 2 because 10 and 6 is 1 pair only. Now sigma x 500 minus what will do? 1 pair means this 2, but we need only now x means only 10. 490. 10 sigma y 300. Exclude that 6. So 294. We have to exclude, not include. If we want to include, then plus also we have done. Okay. Now sigma xy is 3090. How we will do now? See, when it was x, then simply x. When it was y, then simply y. But now it is x into y, so we will also do x into y. 12. So minus 10 into 6. So 3090 minus 60. So it is 3030. So see the expression. Here only x, so x, y then y, x, y then x into y. Now x square. So what is the expression? X square. 5450. So what we'll do? Minus not 10 but 10 square. So 5450 minus 100. 5350. So look the expression. Here expression was multiplication. Here it is square. Same way here also. Sigma y square is 2000. Minus 6 not but 6 square. So 2000 minus 36. 1964. Now each of the values are revised, so we will find R. Now R is equals to which formula? We are having the terms of xy formula. So n into sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by, in the first square, n into sigma x square minus sigma x whole square multiply in second square root, n into sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Use these things, don't use these things. N is 49. Sigma xy is 3030. Sigma x is 490. Sigma y is 294. Divided by, values will be very big. N is 49. Sigma x square 5350. Sigma x whole square 490 whole square. Multiply the second square root. N is 49. Sigma y square 1964. Sigma y whole square 294 whole square. So we should not make a single mistake in writing, otherwise the whole answer will be wrong. Okay? Yeah. 3030 multiply 49. So values will be little bit big. 1,48,470. Okay. Minus 490 into 294. 1,44,060 divided by, in the first square root, 49 into 5350. 2,62,150 minus 490 whole square 2,40,100. Multiply the second square root. 49 into 1964. 96,236. Minus 294 whole square 86436. 1,48,470 minus 1,44,060. 4410. In the first square root, 262,150 minus 240,100. 22050. Multiply the second square root. 96,236 minus 86,436. 9,800. 4410 divided by 22050 multiply 9800 equals to n square root 14,700. 4410 divided by 14,700 is 0.3. So what was the important thing in this sum? That the expressions are given, all the values are given. If you are reading the question till here, then you will make mistake in whole answer. So we have to exclude this extra pair. So first we have done this thing, but n is only 1, not 2, because it is 1 pair. So we have subtracted from here. We don't have to add anything, only to subtract. Then with the revised value we will find the R. Now the next sum, that is tens. Now tens sum is very different from all other sums. Tens sum is very different from all other sums, friends. So you have to focus so much on that tens sum. Normally in 5 marks, that is section F, only the sums which we are doing from exercise 2.2 are asked, but sometimes in the exam such typical sums are asked. Now for that you have to focus so much. Okay, yes. So 10 sum. The information regarding sales X and expenses Y of 10 firms is given below. So n is 10. X bar 58, Y bar 40. Sigma X minus 65 square 150. Sigma Y minus 13 square only 32. Sigma X minus 65 into Y minus 13 is 0. Find correlation coefficient. N is equals to 10. X bar is 58. Y bar is 14. Sigma X minus 65 square is 850. Y minus 13 square is 32. X minus 65 into Y minus 13 is 0. Now friends, first of all we need to understand which formula or which calculation is done for these three things. For that we have three main formulas. For big sums we have three main formulas. First is of x minus x bar, y minus y bar. Next is xy formula and next is u is formula. Now in xy we are not multiplying any term, so this thing is cancelled. Now for first method, see what we are doing, we are taking the observations from x bar and y bar. And in uv what we are doing, u is equals to x minus a, v is equals to y minus b. So this a and b are near to x bar but not x bar and y bar. A and b are taken near to x bar and y bar but they are not x bar and y bar. So first we need to check that if it is x minus x bar, y minus y bar, or if it is near to x minus x bar and y minus y bar. X bar is 58 and sigma x minus 65 square. So here it is taken nearest value to 58, that is 65. But if x minus 58 was given, then x minus x bar. But here that thing is not. In the same way for y also, y minus 13 square. You can see from here also. Y minus 13, but actually y bar is 14. So again, this method is not there. UV method is there. Why UV method? The reason is simple. The deviations are taken nearby the mean. If the deviations have taken exactly from the mean, that is x minus 58 and y minus 14, then it would be x minus x bars method. But this is not x minus x bars method. This is UV's method. So, how we will start the sum? We will write looking at deviations taken x minus 65 but x bar is equals to 58, y minus 13 but y bar is equals to 14. So deviations are taken nearby from the mean but not exactly from the mean. Full stop. Thus, x minus x bar, y minus y bar method is not used. Instead, u is equals to x minus a and v is equals to y minus b. That is uv method is used. So this thing you have to understand. You don't have to write this thing in the exam. If you are understanding the things, you are not writing in the exam, but you should write now for your understanding. This is just an understanding. This much is for your understanding that. No, not this much, from this much. In exam, if you are not writing these things this much, then it is okay. But for our explanation, we are writing. That deviations taken, x minus 65, but here x bar is 50. Y minus 13, but here y bar is 40. So deviations are taken nearby from the mean, not exactly from the mean. So if they are taken exactly from the mean, then this method, but they are taken nearby from the mean, so this method is not used. Instead, u is equals to x minus a, y minus b, that is IE means that is UE method is used here. Now all these expressions are of UV method. Thus, sigma x minus 65 square is equals to sigma u square is equals to 850. Why it is u square? Because it is taken from x. Sigma y minus 13 square is equals to sigma v square is equals to 32. Sigma x minus 65 y minus 13 is equals to sigma uv, and it is 0. Now friends, for the formula this much things are ready. Also n is also ready. Now if we are reading the whole formula of uv, n into sigma uv, so n is there, sigma uv is there. Why this is sigma uv? This is multiplication of both these things. And here the reason I have said why uv method only. And why this is only u square, why this is only v square? What is taken from x is u, what is taken from v it is y. For what is taken from y it is v, and these both are uv. Now friends, whenever we are reading the formula n into sigma u is there, n is there, minus sigma u into sigma v. Now sigma u and v are not there, instead sigma u square and v square are there. So do you think that to take the square root this is okay? No, that is not. That is sigma u whole square, and this is sigma u square only. So we need to find sigma u and sigma v. So we will write, but sigma u is equals to question mark, sigma v is equals to question mark. So finding sigma u and sigma v in this question is the most important thing. There is no hint to find. How to find? Please listen. Nothing is left, but only we can compare one thing and we can find these things. How? Please listen. We have an expression u is equals to x minus a. Now here u is equals to x minus 65 we are seeing from here. Now if we are keeping sigma on both the sides, because we need sigma, then it would be sigma u is equals to sigma x minus 65. What we have done? Multiplying sigma on both sides. Multiplying sigma on both the sides. So sigma u is equals to sigma x minus 65. Okay. What else? Sigma u is equals to, as we know, sigma x minus sigma 65. Now friends, we can have sigma x and we can have this value also. Now how to find sigma x? X bar is equals to sigma x by n. X bar is 58. Sigma x is unknown and n is 10. Sigma x is 580. How 580? 58 10 is a 580. So that thing is used, 580. And also sigma 65. So we should keep sigma is equals to n. Why we should keep sigma is equals to n for this value? Because when sigma is there, sigma means total. Total means total is given 10. So n. So instead of sigma, I am keeping n into 65. So 580 minus 10 into 65 580 minus 650, so sigma u is minus 70. Now you all have confused here only that why sir is keeping like this. I will understand again. This thing all have understood that multiplying sigma on both sides, so sigma u, sigma x minus 65. Now if we are multiplying sigma u x, sigma into 65, sigma 65. Now sigma x we can have from here. What about sigma 65? Sigma means we are taking total. Now total of what? Total of observation. So total of observation is 10. So instead sigma we are keeping n. Here it is not required, only here it is required. So n into 65, 10 into 65, 650. In the same way, we have v is equals to y minus b. V is equals to y minus 13 is taken here. This is b and this is 13, okay? Understand the difference between 13 and b. So we will again sigma v is equals to sigma y minus 13. Now I don't have to write multiplying sigma on both sides. Now sigma v is equals to sigma y minus sigma 13. Okay? So again y bar is equals to sigma y by y bar is 14 is equals to sigma y by 10. Therefore sigma y is equals to 140. So 140 minus n into 30. Again instead of sigma we are keeping n. Now 140 minus 10 into 30. 140 minus 130. So sigma v is 10. Okay, so this is the method to find when in the sum such a situation is occurring and you don't have sigma u and v. So you have to compare this thing, multiply sigma on both sides. If sigma is equals to n, then you can find the things. Okay, so in this sum sigma u and sigma v only was important. Now we shall solve the sum by putting the formula. Okay, so I am rubbing these all the things. I hope you all have written. Okay, now we can put the formula. Thus r is equals to n into sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v divided by in the first square root n into sigma u square minus sigma u whole square multiply n into sigma v square minus sigma v whole square. N is 10, sigma uv was 0. Remember sigma uv was 0. Minus sigma u is minus 70 and sigma v is 10 divided by in the first square root n is 10, sigma u square was 850, sigma u whole square is minus 70 whole square multiply in the second square root n is 10, sigma v square was 32, sigma v whole square is 10 whole square. Now 10 into 0 is 0, minus minus plus, so 70 tens are 700 divided by in second square root 8500 minus, and minus minus will become plus, but here minus 70 square is 4900, again one minus is there, so it will remain in that way only. In the second square root 32 into 10 is 320 minus 100. So 700 divided by 8500 minus 4900. So square root 3600 multiply in second square root 220. So 700 divided by 3600 into 220 equals to and square root 889.943. So 94 only. So 700 divided by 889.94, 0.786. So 0.786. So 0.79. Okay, friends. So this is the answer. So the thing was only sigma u and sigma v are important. Other all things are ready. Put the formula, solve the sum. Okay, so now last sum is left, that is 11th sum. Twelfth sum is ignored and only 11th sum is left. Daily calorie intake of 10 persons. So any stand is X and their weight is Y. Rank correlation coefficient is 0.6. On subsequent verification, it was noticed that difference of ranks means this is the same question of exercise 2.38 sum. One observation was, one difference was taken as 2 instead of 4. So it was wrongly taken as 2 instead of correctly taken as 4. So find the correct value of R. Simple sum. So this is 11th sum. N is 10. Rank correlation coefficient R is 0.6. Wrong difference, correct difference. So it was taken as 2, so wrong is 2 and instead of 4. So friends, how to solve this sum? Whenever we are having R, using the formula we are finding sigma d square. Now we are having sigma d square and one difference is wrong and one is correct. Now d is in square, so we should subtract wrong difference square and we should add correct difference square. We will find corrected sigma d square. After finding corrected sigma d square, we can find the corrected value of R. Yes. So first we will split the formula. R is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n in bracket n square minus 1. R is 0.6 is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by 10 in bracket 10 square minus 1. So 0.6 is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square. First solve this whole thing, then take it here. In denominator 10 in bracket 100 minus 1. 0.6 is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by 10 into 100 minus 1 is 99. So 0.6 is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by 990. Take this whole term here. So 6 sigma d square divided by 990 is equals to 1 minus 0.6. This minus term will come here in plus. This plus term will go there as minus. So 6 sigma d square divided by 990 is equals to 0.4. Now sigma d square is equals to 0.4 multiply 990 divided by 6. This 6 will go in denominator, 990 will go in numerator. Therefore sigma d square is equals to 0.4 into 990 divided by 6, it is 66. As we have found sigma d square. Now as this d is in square, so this wrong and correct will also be taken in square. Corrected sigma d square is equals to sigma d square minus wrong difference square plus correct difference square. 66 minus 2 square plus 4 square. 66 minus 4 plus 16. 66 minus 4 plus 16 is 78. That is corrected sigma d square. Now as we are getting corrected sigma d square, corrected R is equals to 1 minus 6 in bracket corrected sigma d square divided by n in bracket n square minus 1.
1 minus 6 into 78 divided by 6, sorry, not 6, 10 in bracket 10 square minus 1. 1 minus 78 into 6, 468 divided by 10 in bracket 10 square is 100 minus 1. 1 minus 468 divided by 10 into 99. So 1 minus 468 divided by 10 into 99 is 990. 1 minus 468 divided by 990. 0.472. So 0.47, answer is 0.53. So friends, what are the steps to solve the sum? First of all, using the formula, find sigma d square. Now, for corrected sigma d square, take sigma d square as it is. Now d is in square, so wrong difference square is minus and correct difference square is plus. After finding corrected sigma d square, use the corrected values to find the corrected r. This is not r, this is corrected r. Corrected r 0.53. So friends, we are completing our chapter here. Tomorrow we shall start the third chapter of accountancy, that is goodwill, valuation of goodwill. Okay, so be ready with that. Thank you.